mammals. Selfie lizard. English name selfie lizard. The other they call that one Jesus Christ lizard.
Why?
That lizard can run fast at the surface of the water.
Oh.
Jesus Christ, walk in water.
Oh.
Philippine Godzilla.
Oh, Philippine Godzilla.
This lizard is a friendly lizard because this one is a vegetarian lizard.
Oh, they
Only eat water
vegetables.
spinach, banana.
Banana.
Also tastes like chicken.
Oh.
For now, it's not
Look at his
allowed.
friend. Look at his friend.
3 lizards inside.
3?
Where's the other one?
Butterfly.
Other one is here.
Oh, spiders. Oh.